to the channel today. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Fiat remote key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery, quite a common one available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side. Let's just check this key remote is the same as yours before we start. Now if you look here, we need to remove this rear panel. So if you look just under the edge there, I don't know if you can see it, there's just a little cut out there. So if you just get a small screwdriver and just go in under that top edge, and as you can see, that easily removed the back of the key. So that comes off. Your battery is placed in here, so you're going to need a slightly larger screwdriver and just twist that anti-clockwise, and that releases the back off there. And that reveals your battery. Your battery is placed in positive side up. So just be careful when you're releasing this, because it looks as though it's hooked in the bottom there. So if you just put a little bit of pressure with a screwdriver there, and that'll release the battery out. Just be careful you don't break any of these plastic tabs or metal prongs. Pop that down. So there's the positive side, which is always the smooth side. Your negative side has a domed edge. So we get the new battery, and if we hold it with the blade up in the air, and then we just hook that in there and then push that down. When you put this in, this will only go in one way. So just hold it down with your thumb, tighten it up clockwise, came off anti-clockwise, so just nip it up, it'll turn just a small amount. When you're putting the back of the key on, just hook that edge in first, and then just clip that back down into place. A little bit tricky going back on, but there you go. All back into place now. That's job done on your Fiat flip out remote key. Hope that was helpful for you. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.